The Lumberton Distribution Center plays a key role in our supply chain in the Northeast. They're a central warehouse for all the cosmetics and beauty products. So we had a great, unique opportunity to be able to include multiple different types of automation into this facility that's not seen anywhere else in the world.
The actual product comes to our pickers instead of our pickers going to the product. And then the robotics takes over.
We have over 420 robots running around at any given time distributing the product. If a robot goes down, we can fix it in less than 15 minutes.
We have 582 pick locations that these robots deliver the product to for different stores, different distribution centers at any given time. We have 152 pick robots, and what they do is get the totes ready and pick those and deliver them to the pick operator.
Our two palletizing robots are called Bonnie and Clyde, and it was named by our colleagues there at the DC.
When I first came here, 150,000 piece day was high volume for the auto store. Today we're doing about 400,000 a day or 1.9 million a week, and we're looking to increase that to 3.5 here in the near future.
And we've been breaking records almost every week with the amount of volume that we're able to push through that building.
I could tell you for sure that this new technology doesn't replace people and will not replace people.
We've actually added headcount. We're able to put more units inside of our totes going to the stores, which actually reduces the amount of totes we send.
If you're not moving forward, your competition will eat you up. So you always have to look at better ways of doing business.
We're actually going to expand the existing auto store in the process of bringing in more categories than just beauty to be able to service all the stores in the Northeast. It's great to work for a company that believes in innovation.